Hi, what's up? I'm the Crypto Lifer. Welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a great morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you came to my channel and you like the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button, share my content, and leave a comment. I love reading the comments. It's my favorite thing to do. Let's get into the gem I'm about to talk about now. Now, everyone wants to be all the rage, right? The rage. But I found a coin that's actually called Rage. That's right. Rage.fan. It may change the way we interact with celebrities and people that are fans of celebrities. It could change the whole landscape of what it is to be a fan. You could be connected to your favorite celebrity in ways you never would have thought, on the blockchain, through NFTs, and fun, immersible, rewarding ways. So I want to talk about Rage right now, why I think it's good to put on your radar, why it's a low cap gem that you might want to just throw a small bit at. And I want you guys to know that on this channel, none of this is financial advice. Everything I talk about here is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research and get yourself a financial advisor. Now, also when I talk about small cap coins, I don't go all in on these things. If I had a $10,000 portfolio, I would only put in between 2 and 300 depending. So make sure you're only putting 1 to 2% of your entire portfolio into a low cap gem like this. So let's break down Rage. Let's talk about it. Let me show you the price, where you can buy it, and why I think it's worth throwing some chips at. Now, right up there you see the name of the coin is Rage. That's right, Rage.fan. And the ticker is Rage, R-A-G-E. Let's check out Rage. Let me show you what it is. Let me show you the website. And let me talk about why I think it's quite interesting. Now, the first thing we want to do is look at their website. We want to see what's going on. We want to hit the link and dive in. We want to see how the website looks, how they created it, the graphics, everything. I want to see what the team did and how they're promoting their project. Right off the bat, I like what I'm seeing a little bit from the movement, the structure. I like this website. Sports Oracle, everything you need to know about your favorite sport, team, and player. Decentralized, validated. Interesting. Rage.fan merges art and NFT for a gaming experience like never before. A helicopter shot, the number 10 jersey, or the slam dunk. Own a piece of the action. Rage.fan, action cards. Fantasy games, participate in highly engaging fantasy games and quizzes to earn rewards. Choose from a wide variety of sports such as cricket, volleyball, kabibby, basketball, and hockey. Create teams. Use your skill and knowledge to create competent teams. The better the team, better would be chances of winning. Now, there is a typo there. Just want to bring that up. Usually when I see a typo, I get a little nervous. You know, the better the team, the better would be the chances of winning. Not better would be chances of winning. So that's got me a little worried. I like the project. I'm just bringing that up. Choose from a wide array of contests and quizzes to earn bonus points. Compete with other players and win big in the form of game tokens. Now, every coin I look for should solve some type of problem. If it doesn't solve a problem, then I don't think it's worth buying. So right here it says, challenges we are addressing. Today's online sports industry trades on false promises of getting rich quick. RageFan aims to address the lack of transparency and ensures that participants get the maximum benefits. Opaque transactions, processing, and settlements. Current platforms have absolutely zero visibility for fans in terms of points calculation, pool formation, transactions, or reward distribution. The model is house-driven, thus lacks transparency and visibility. Escalated cost models. Fees charged by fantasy sport platforms are extremely high. This elevates the entry barrier for sports enthusiasts. Even worse, this eats into the rewards. Also, these platforms are charging fees without any transparency, which reduces the trust that players put in the platform. The lack of fan influence. Centralized fantasy sport platforms allow little or no voice to the fans in the operation of the platform, creating an imbalance of power structure and allows the platform operators to have full control of the decision making. So this will have governance, right? You'll be able to actually vote on what you want to do with the entire project. Built on Ethereum, Rage.fan is a decentralized open source platform ensuring fair transactions. Introducing Rage. There's staking, there's virtual minting, participate in virtual games using Scramble app and earn Rage. Social media mining, evangelize about RageFan to your community of followers and earn Rage. That's pretty good. Referral mining, get your friends and family to be part of the RageFan and earn Rage. Game mining, the more you play, the more you earn. It's very interesting to say the least, but will they accomplish everything that they're going after? Now, that's the key here when you're buying low cap gems. You want a project you believe in, and you want a project that you think is really going to do what they say it's going to do, but there's a chance it doesn't. Now, if you get in and this does a 10x, you might want to sell at least half of your project because you're not sure if it just ran up on speculation or if it's actually going to accomplish its goals. I go to the Telegram as well to see how they did marketing. This has 26,000 followers in their Telegram. That's one of the bigger groups I've ever seen, especially for a newer coin that hasn't been around that long. Right now, it's hovering very close to its all-time low. Maybe something worth looking at. Again, as I said at the beginning of the video, do not ape all your funds into something like this. Only put in 1 to 2% of your entire portfolio. This is a very high-risk play, and we're not sure if they're going to accomplish what they say they're going to do. But this is speculation in the low-cap world, and this is what you have to do. You get into you can get into 10 projects like this for $100. Spread $1,000 around and see what happens. One of them might just 100x or even 1000x. This gives you the highest chance of making the biggest returns since these coins have not been bought up by the masses yet. If you get in early, there's a chance if they pile in and accomplish their goals, these coins could moon to some places you couldn't even believe. So right here, I found Rage on Chart X. That's the best place I could find it. And you can see it came out probably after a pre-sale dump. So people got allocated the pre-sale and they dumped this thing. But it did get bought back up and now it's kind of dwindling over here at 18. Now, if this thing can crawl all the way back to the top, something like this, there's gains of about 318% right there of a 3x. It has a very small market cap. It seems to have a pretty big following. And I don't know. I'm not saying put your whole bags in here. This is something I would put a very, very small amount in, but it may be something that could grow into fruition and turn into a lot more money. So that is Rage.fan. I wanted to put that on your radar, guys, so you understood what was happening. If you'd like me to chart this or other coins that you're into, please come to my live stream every morning from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 Monday through Friday, Saturdays at 10:30 a.m. and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. for the Bitcoin weekly candle close. I also make content almost every single day besides the live streams. So look out for 2 videos a day. Not many channels can say that. If you'd also like to learn TA and you want one-on-one tutoring, please hit the link below right there and you're going to see I have a link to my tutoring schedule. Now, that is my schedule, my time zone. Make sure you compute your time zone to equate the time that you picked on my schedule. I also have an amazing Patreon group right here with 3 different tiers for you to choose from. Spend $9 if you made some good trades and you just love me. Send $25 if you just want to be in my chat rooms and be a part of the Crypto Lifer group. The $99 gets you in the chat rooms, gets you exclusive content, and I tell you what I'm buying and selling any given day to the moment. The moment I get into something, I tell you when I did it. For instance, last night, I gave all my Patreons this call. At about 5 or 6 p.m. yesterday, I bought pancake tools for 4 cents. It's now 13 cents. I 3x'd my money in about 24 hours. So that was sent to the Patreon group and many more. Right there on that call alone, you would have made enough to pay for the Patreon for a month and see how it works. You would be surprised how many calls you get and how much you learn. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.